Hello everyone and welcome back to the video. In this video we'll be talking about how to fix Instagram camera problem, Instagram camera zoom problem, and Instagram camera settings. Now before we continue with the video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and be sure to follow until the end so that you don't miss a single detail. So the first thing that we can do is we're going to go into our Google Play Store and make sure that our Instagram is up to date. So as you can see here, after searching for Instagram, Instagram has an update in itself. So we can go ahead and update this. And then after updating this, you may need to restart your phone and the camera zoom problem should be fixed. If that does not work, another thing that we can do is we can go ahead and go into Instagram itself, and then we can go ahead and uninstall the current version. So once that we uninstall this, we're going to be going into our browser, and then we're going to be typing in older Instagram version. So with this one, we can go ahead and choose any of these. So let's go for the first one, Instagram old versions, Android APK. And as you can see here, this is our current version. So it is 2.95. So that's the latest version that is installed in our Android. And if we go all the way down, go right on ahead and choose the 290. So that's version 290. And you can see this was updated almost a month ago. And this will not have any of the Instagram camera problems. But of course, your safest place to do this would be to install with the updated version, because the developers would have found this bug and fixed it, and then added the update to fix this problem. And that is it for the video.